Everything in the vehicle yours?
Everything is mine.
Everything in here is yours? Okay.
Pasco, Washington. On the morning of the 5th of September 2022, at 8:58 a.m. local time, a patrol officer in the Pasco area conducted what initially appeared to be a routine traffic stop for a cracked windshield. However, the encounter fully recorded on an Axon Body 3 camera quickly proved to be far from a simple roadway inspection. The pickup truck, driven by a man identified as Jorge, was pulled over so the officer could verify his identification and check the condition of the vehicle. During the early moments of the interaction, the officer learned that Jorge's driver's license was suspended and that he had an active warrant out of New Mexico. What began as a minor traffic violation soon set off a chain of events that would lead to one of the region's significant fentanyl seizures at the time.
Hi there, how we doing?
How are you, sir?
Good, good. Hey, the reason I'm stopping you is that cracked windshield.
Oh yeah, I last night and when I stopped in Las Vegas,
Uh-huh.
I drivers the big semi looking up.
Oh, no, just last night, huh?
Last night. Sorry for that. I don't have a choice. I can start somewhere for replace.
Yeah, yeah.
The Labor Day.
Sure. Well, let me see your license and your paperwork.
I go visit my family.
I'm sorry?
I go visit my family. I go back again to Washington.
Where's your family at?
I have family in Las Vegas. I live in Washington.
But your family's in Las Vegas.
I got cancer over there.
So, who owns the vehicle?
Okay, this is my wife, but I buy for my wife. I buy it. I put the name of my wife.
All right. Well, I'm gonna have you come back to my vehicle.
Okay.
We'll look at your license, and we'll go from there. Okay? Come on back. No pistolas, knives,
No,
nothing like that.
I go with you.
Yeah, come on. All right, come on back. Jorge,
Yes.
have you go over here. Can I check you for knives?
No,
Guns?
I don't have a knife. I don't have a knife.
Can I check your pockets?
Oh yeah.
Okay. No. All right. Just stand right over here. Okay. So, how long have you been in Vegas for?
3 days.
Oh, 3 days.
Yes.
Okay.
I go play casino. I love play casino.
Oh.
I win 700 right here in this place.
So you got problems with your license, my friend?
What happened?
Suspended.
Why?
You didn't pay a fine,
On
and you have a warrant out of New Mexico.
New Mexico?
Uh-huh. For failing to pay a fine or something.
I don't remember that.
You get a ticket? You got a ticket in New Mexico?
No. I got a ticket in Washington and Arizona. But I paid that once. Somebody used my name a long time ago. I know that because somebody stealing my ID. I think 15 years ago.
Oh, well, maybe that's what it was. I don't know.
Something happened, but somebody stopped me too. He said, I have warrant over there in New Mexico. I said, it's not me.
Gotcha.
I never live there. I live in only Arizona, Washington, and California.
You been traveling at all this summer?
Yes,
Yeah.
with my family.
Oh, where all you been?
California and Arizona. And anytime I go to California, Arizona, my mother live in California, my cousins, my aunts, my nephew live in Tucson, Phoenix, Arizona. I go 3 times a year. Yeah.
Oh, you go back east too? What for?
I go sometimes to east. I going to Telo, Otelo, Washington. 70 miles to Pasco, the Tri-Cities. East or north. I don't mind east.
What do you do back east?
I live there, Pasco.
That's not east. That's north.
Oh no, east? No, I go sometimes to Chicago, sometimes Sagua, a long time ago.
Oh, you go to Chicago?
Sometimes I go in.
Oh, how long has it been since you've been to Chicago?
2007, 2005, I live there.
Have you been back?
No.
When was the last time you've been there?
Too many years ago. Too many years.
You ever been in trouble for anything?
No. Only go there for tickets, and one time I go in 2000, let me see. I go for supposed for domestic violence, pero my wife, porque I got accident, and the cousin called the police. I go to the jail in Bridgeville. for 2 days. But I get out. I never do something wrong, you know. I live
So
with
did you go to California on this trip?
when?
This trip you're on now? Did you-
Yeah.
You went to California?
Yeah, I go that way. I went to I was with my mother. I come into Las Vegas, I come into this way.
Oh, okay. So what'd you do down in Vegas while you were there? Anything?
Only play casino, I start playing
Which casinos?
Tropicana.
Where do you stay at while you're there?
I stay with my cousin.
Oh, you stay with your cousins.
Yeah, I stay in the house of my cousin. Sometimes I have time for go to the casino, and then I working hard every day.
So you're gonna get a ticket for the suspended license, but I'll give you a break on the cracked windshield. Okay.
Perfect.
All right.
I stop in Pasco. I visit tomorrow.
So let me ask you this, Jorge.
Yes.
Anything illegal in the vehicle?
No, nothing.
Okay.
No, I don't have nothing living in the vehicle.
No one's asked you to bring anything back to Othello or Pasco from Las Vegas?
No.
Would you be okay if we searched the vehicle to make sure there's nothing illegal in there? You good with that?
I have only my things and my clothes and the other things.
All right, this is the citation for the suspended license, okay?
Okay.
You have until the the 5th of October to take care of it with the court, and that's Easy Justice Court. All their information is right here, okay?
Okay.
So, $355 is the amount on the citation. Since you've granted consent to search your vehicle, I'm just going to go ahead and do that now and
Okay.
get that part taken care of, and we'll get you out of here, okay?
Okay, so
All right. All right. Give me just a minute, and we'll knock it out real quick, or I'll knock it out real quick, and we'll get you going, okay?
okay, so
Nothing going to be found illegal, correct?
no, nothing.
Okay. All right. Give me a minute. Everything.
As the officer proceeded with the vehicle inspection, what seemed like a standard search quickly escalated. Jorge granted permission for the truck to be checked, insisting that he had nothing illegal inside. But within minutes, the officer uncovered several tightly wrapped packages concealed inside the vehicle's door panels. Further inspection revealed a total of 37 bricks of fentanyl, a haul with an estimated black market value approaching $4 million. The discovery immediately transformed the stop into a major narcotics case, and Jorge was placed under arrest and read his Miranda rights on the spot. However, the most startling moment came not from the drugs themselves, but from Jorge's explanation. When officers encouraged him to cooperate and help them complete the delivery to its final destination, Jorge refused and revealed that he was acting under duress. He stated that a criminal organization in Mexico had been holding his brother hostage for 5 weeks, forcing him to transport the narcotics to prevent harm to his family. According to Jorge, he had received the fentanyl load in Phoenix, Arizona, and was instructed to drive toward Washington State, where he would receive the final delivery address only after calling a contact in Mexico. His voice remained tense as he repeated that he had no choice, emphasizing that his brother's life depended on his compliance.
Everything in the vehicle yours?
Everything is mine.
Everything in here is yours? Okay. Turn around. Henry 6180. You're just being detained for right now, okay? Looks like a large amount. Sir, you're placed under arrest for transporting controlled substances, okay?
Okay.
All right?
All right.
Understand?
I understand.
Okay. All right. Let me read you your rights first, okay? You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna read this to you in English, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can. You understand those rights? Okay. With that being said, you want to talk about what's in the vehicle?
No.
Okay. If you want to work with us right now is the time to do this. We can make this happen. We can make this work. If you wanted to work with us and deliver this back to Washington, back to Pasco, or wherever it is you're going, we can facilitate. We can maybe make that happen. That's going to help yourself. If you want to do that, we can start making calls. Is that something you would be interested in?
No.
No? Okay. Okay.
No, I don't want to talk.
You don't want to talk. Okay.
No, because the other people have, I know my family with that.
I'm sorry?
The other people, the cartel,
Uh-huh.
I have my brother. I don't have a choice.
Cartel has your brother?
Yeah, I don't have a choice.
He has your brother?
So you don't
Yeah,
have a choice?
I don't have a choice.
Okay.
I don't have a choice.
Okay. Well, let me ask you this. What do you mean by the cartel has your brother? If you don't want to talk about that, I understand too. But that just causes me a little bit of concern.
Right. There might be ways that we might be able to help get your brother from the cartel.
No talk about that?
Anyways, you take me to the jail or send me to Mexico, the cartel killing me. ¿Verdad?
Okay.
I don't have a choice.
Okay. Gotcha.
When I go to Mexico, the cartel killing me. I live in this country for 25 years. I never do something wrong, but now I don't have a choice.
I understand.
So the money that win in the casino.
This is the money you want in the casino?
Yeah.
Here's all your money going in the bag, okay?
I am process to pay for it.
You're in the process.
Yeah. I do this for 20 years, never do something wrong.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Have a seat, sir.
No send me to Mexico?
Why would we send you to Mexico?
Because, you know, I don't want to go to Mexico.
Okay. Well, I don't know why we would send you to Mexico. You're here legal, right?
Yeah, but I am processing my papers before. I wait only for my green card.
You're waiting for your green
I
card.
wait
Papers
because
are in process.
when I married in Arizona,
Well, let me tell you this. I can't guarantee you anything about going to Mexico or not. I don't know what your status is. There's a lot of things I don't know about you, right? I can say this. If you're willing to cooperate, that would certainly help your situation, okay? That's all I can tell you. I mean, if you want to cooperate, great. If you don't,
does it? What do I do?
well, you would need to deliver this stuff to where you're going.
Okay, but you need to wait a couple months to catch the people.
Let me
You not can catch it right now.
Yes.
You need to wait a month, 3 months, something like that.
Yeah.
Because
let me if you're willing, are you willing to maybe think about that?
I think like that. Because that man have my brother. I don't have a choice.
You've got your brother.
Because that guy, he said, when you not deliver this thing, you know what happened.
Okay,
So if you don't deliver-
let me make some calls. I'll see if I can get a hold of somebody in Washington.
Yeah, but
Where you're going back to Pasco?
I think Portland.
Portland.
No. Seattle.
Seattle. Okay. Let me start calling around. I think I have some contacts
Yeah,
up there.
but you remember something else.
I'll let them talk to you. Yes, I remember something else. Yes, go ahead.
You not can catch the people right now.
I understand that.
Because suppose when you catch the people right now, killing my brother and killing me.
Understand.
You need to wait. You need to look the whole people over there 3 months, 4 months for catching the people. Understand that?
How long have they had your brother?
For a week.
And where's your brother at? Is he
In
up
the mountains.
in Washington?
No, Mexico in the mountains.
Okay.
No.
I'm trying to get a hold of some people. Okay. So, is there any more? So you said you wanted to talk to us, right?
Yes, but
Okay.
I don't know what he said. I know something the drugs, but I don't know what he said.
Okay.
Okay, the guys.
Where were you supposed to drop it off to? Seattle, you said.
Seattle Federal Way or Seattle somewhere, but
You don't know where?
I don't have the phone numbers. I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing.
How are they supposed to get a hold of you?
When I be there, I call Mexico and the guys send my address where I want to deliver.
Okay.
Pero you know the cartel. So.
Okay, I know. I had this feeling about this guy, man. I started questioning him about traveling across the country, and he told me that he'd gone to Chicago, and I'm like, that caught my attention because Pasco to Chicago.
Right.
Oh my God, that's a great route.
That's a huge.
Huge. Yeah.
That right there is probably itself. More, quite the city.
Yes.
Okay. when I deliver this, you can catch the other people who stay there. Because the other people in Mexico, you never catch it. Because I'm only call you and you get your family. You can catch the other guys.
Okay. Well, if you don't think we can catch them, then I guess it is what it is.
I know, but
I don't know what to tell you, man. We'll still keep trying.
Because you know, when I know deliver this, killing my brother, because the guys have my brother right now.
I understand.
This is the thing they do, this thing.
I understand. We don't want to kill your brother. I understand that. So.
When I go to Mexico,
I'll use a paper bag.
guys killing me too.
Okay.
Yeah, I work with you guys, but I say no open that things because the guys, I know somebody opened something wrong.
Yeah, somebody opened one.
Yeah, but I say no opening. Because the guys put in there.
Okay.
I not touch nothing.
Okay.
Because the guys show me how in the pictures the house stay.
Where did you pick this up at? Vegas or somewhere else?
Phoenix, Arizona.
In Phoenix?
Yeah, in Phoenix, Arizona. But I don't know where is the house. I don't know nothing about that.
Okay. Watch your knee. Can't get a hold of anybody, man. Go and look that way. Come on out.
Okay. When you deliver this thing, you need to put it in the same place in the same plastic bag.
Okay. They probably take pictures of it, don't they?
I know that.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna take those off.
Okay.
We're gonna put you in a
Yeah, please.
Well, let's do this. I don't think that we're going to be able to deliver it. I just don't think that's going to work out. So what you can do, if you wanted to help yourself, is you can just talk with the DEA agents out of Seattle, okay? You can tell them what you know, and it is what it is. All right? You can still help yourself a little bit without delivering it.
I need to stay there tomorrow.
Put this hand on your head, would you?
Okay.
Well, I don't think we're going to get it delivered. We can't get a hold of anybody unless you drive all night. And you wouldn't be taking the dope with you anyways, so.
That hand on the back of your head.
12, 13, 14.
How many is there total?
There's 22 there and then 15 in here, so what?
37.
37?
After completing their search, officers confirmed the full count of 37 bricks of fentanyl, solidifying the stop as one of the most significant drug seizures in the region that year. Jorge was transported to a local detention facility and formally charged with multiple felony offenses related to the possession and transportation of controlled substances. While investigators continued to question him about the route, the pickup truck, and the individuals who had coordinated the shipment, much of the broader network behind the operation remained unclear. In the months that followed, federal authorities reviewed the case in coordination with state prosecutors. Despite the seriousness of the charges and the estimated multi-million-dollar street value of the fentanyl seized, the case was ultimately dismissed by the U.S. government in late 2024. Such dismissals often suggest the possibility of cooperation agreements or strategic decisions aimed at targeting higher-level individuals within a trafficking organization. However, official details regarding the resolution were not publicly disclosed. The incident, sparked by a simple cracked windshield on a quiet September morning, ultimately revealed a complex mix of family desperation, cartel pressure, and large-scale narcotics movement, underscoring how routine traffic stops can unexpectedly uncover high-risk criminal operations with far-reaching implications.